Welcome everybody. This is a quick update on what's happening on our index with respect to Elliott waves. We'll try to understand the bigger structure of our market, and finally we'll come down to the intraday level and find out what's the trading opportunity it's creating. Let's dive in. From the beginning, we have a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and diminutive minuscule. And this is wave 1, and this is wave 2. Is a flat correction. A, B, C, A, B, C, W, X, and Y. So this is a W, X, Y in flat. So this is our wave 2, from where the bigger wave 3 journey has started. In the wave 3, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and we'll mark the later on. And again, we can see this wave is subdividing, which is very common for a bullish scenario. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so this is 5 actually. And completing these were 3. So let's take it sub-micro and change the color so that you can recognize it easily. And in these wave 3, so let's change these also. Okay, in these wave 3, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you can see that this is forming an ending diagonal. It is common nature of wave 5. From where we have got the bigger collapse in the form of probing press. Okay, so where we are now, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. This is 4, and 5 is going on to complete the bigger wave 3. So we'll mark this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as 1. This is 2. This is 3. Probably this is 4. And one more high is pending in the index. Okay. So we'll change this again, the color a little bit. Here is our overall market. Okay. Now we are concerned with the market is facing correction from September 2024, and now we are concerned with this correction has already ended or not. We'll concentrate on these right now. Okay. So from these 4, okay, let's also evaluate this with Fibonacci level. So to project this wave 3 high, that is wave 5, we start from here 1 to 3, projected from 4, and see wave 5 is extended and it generally ends at 68, 61.8% to 100%, and these are ended in this zone only. Okay, so this is valid wave 5, and finally, this wave 3 is consisting of, okay, let's change this color also so that it will not confuse us. Maybe this one. Okay, so these wave 5, if you want to project, will again start from here, from 1 to 3, 4, and 61.8% is coming up at 26,463, where it has exactly made the top. Okay, you can see that, right? So now we'll concentrate here on the weekly time frame, right? So here it is 4 and 1. So if we count this one now, weekly frame. So this is C, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is 3, right? So 4 is coming, and 1 high with 5 should be followed. Okay. Now see, the common retracement of wave 4 is see the first, where we have wave 2 ended between 50 to 61.8%, which is common, and this is simple correction. And so we have expected wave 4 to be complex, right? And it has given us a complex correction. Now, if we analyze these correction and take the retracement, so from wave 2 low to wave 3 high, see 38.2% is the common retracement level, but since there is an extended wave 3, so we are expecting some deeper retracement. So maybe 50 to 61.8%. So this is our possible level for the end of correction, where Nifty hasn't touched, but it came closer to that level. Now we'll consider these correction now in daily time frame to analyze it better way. So here you can see a clear leading diagonal structure, right? So this is A, B, C, D, E, ending with A, and this is wave B, and see, this is wave C. In wave C, this is 1, 2, 3, okay, just remark it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And again, ending diagonal in wave 5. or in diagonal structure, 5 and price bounced. So this is A, B, and C. That is the first leg of correction. So we mark it as A, B, and C. Okay. Again, there is a connector, and again there is a irregular ABC correction. See, this is A, is B, is C. So you can mark it as double tree correction. So this is, sorry, this is ABC, W, X, this is our, yeah. Okay. And the price has bounced from here. So for the see here, there's a interesting learning how to use the Fibonacci retracements. To see here, A, B, C ended here, C ended here, but minimum projection it should achieve is 100 to 1.236%. So it hasn't achieved, and that's why price again took a connector X and given another ABC correction to complete this projection level. Okay, that's why complex correction comes. Fine. So we can consider the end of wave 4 here now, and 5 is on progress. Now, in these 5, see, we have already completed 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So we have again a complex correction A, B, C, W, X, and Y. And in wave 4, we expect complex corrections, right? So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's give it minuscule. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means wave 1 is completed here and wave 2 is in progress. So this whole thing is under wave 2. Now, what is the minimum projection of wave 2? Actually, wave 2, sorry, minimum retracement. Wave 2 retraces 50 to 61.85% of this wave 1. In that case, our expected area of support is here, right? Now we'll analyze these corrections in smaller time frame. Again, we're coming back to hourly time frame, right? So how is this correction unfolding? We coming in the in your business end, how to trade these swings. So see, here is a leading diagonal structure again. There is a rare leading diagonal structure. This is expanding diagonal, very uncommon structure. Right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So we'll mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to complete wave A. Okay. Now, again, look at this correction. This is from here. This is wave B, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is again forming and ending diagonal strike. Okay. Based on ending. Right. So I will mark it. This is A, this is B, this is C. Now, see the projection level, what is waves achieved. So this is wave A, wave B, and wave C achieved its 100% level. 1.236% is coming here, and 1.618 is coming here. But we need minimum retracement of this area, so it may come to 200%. Okay. Now see how it will come. To achieve this projection, price should make complex correction, right? So see, from this area, the whole crowd turned out to be bullish and declared the end of correction. But see how wave leads the price, the character of the wave is very, very important to us. Okay. So here see, this is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is actually A, B, and C. Okay. In C, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We see the projection of wave C. It's A, B, C. It has completed almost 200% of this projection. And also, if we take the retracement, see, this has retraced 61.8% of these ABC. Okay, fine. So, looking at the character, we have at once analyzed that this is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is actually ABC. So, ABC is nothing but the connector. So now, what is the correction? So ABC means W, which is X, and ABC should come, right? Okay, so first of all, we have understood that the market hasn't ended the correction. Okay, so be careful in your long position. Now from here, the Y wave generally counts as ABC. Okay, so how ABC is unfolding down? So you have the bigger view that we are in a downtrend. Okay, so the bigger trend is downside. These are just pullbacks of the mother trend. So now from here, you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, completing wave A or 1. Okay, so this is wave A or 1, and this is A, B, C, and market is going down. See, it failed to sustain, right? After a mighty gap up today, it has failed to sustain. This is the character of weakness in the price. Okay. So again, if we consider the projection, here A, B, and C went 1.236%. This is very, very common. Or if you can add these 1.272. See, price exactly reverse from 1.272. This is a very, very important Fibonacci, right? hit exactly. Now, if we analyze these, some people say that this is not ABC. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It may proceed, but see, we'll, for that reason, we'll analyze these. Okay? Let's do that in more smaller time, in 5-minute time. In 5-minute time frame, see how this correction is unfolding. See again, we are getting a leading diagonal. Right? There is the leading diagonal. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, completing with 1. Okay. Now this is the trick of the market. This is A, B, C correction. This is called irregular flat correction in the downtrend. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is in process. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is of bigger degree. Changing the color. Okay. This is of the bigger degree. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has started from here. So what we need to do now, where the 5 can stop, it will calculate it. So from 1 to 3, it is so these may settle down 30.2% to 50%, right? So you are getting the immediate support for the market from here. In just expect a bounce to enter a good sell position, right? It good risk reward, which you can calculate. Now it will calculate these. So if wave 5 ends here, now our immediate resistance level is 50 to 30.2%. This is very, very important resistance for wave 3. Okay. Right now, from if price comes back here and we'll see an ABC move, right? Because this move has taken too much time, not that much impulsive. So for by the theory of alternation, we'll expect a sharp ABC zigzag pullback. Okay. From this zone, we can plan our selling by noting down these character of this zone. Okay. How these ABC correction or ABC pullback will come. And we can do these. We take the wave 3, 4, and 5. So 4 will be the pullback. So we will have our 2 bigger impulses downside. Right? So this would be our trade plan. And for the bullish scenario, price must hold this zone and break out this level by in speed manner. Okay, because we are expecting 1, 2, 1, 2. So this will be the bigger third wave. So the nature of the bigger third is very fast. So if price moves in very fast manner, you can consider this as you can recount it. But till then, we'll wait for this area when price will visit, and if price rejects from here, we can enter a good sell position, right? So that's all for the market update. Hope it helped you for your decision making, and thank you everybody.